Making a mark in regional cinema, opportunities beyond Bollywood. Introduction to regional cinema. India's film industry extends far beyond the glitz and glamour of Bollywood. Regional cinema, encompassing Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, Bengali, and other language films, presents a vibrant landscape brimming with opportunities for budding actors and filmmakers. These regional industries not only thrive on their distinct styles and narratives, but also boast dedicated audiences that celebrate their unique cinematic traditions. Key regional film industries. Tollywood, Telugu Cinema, known for its high production values and grandiose storytelling, Tollywood stands as one of India's most prolific film industries. It often features larger-than-life characters and epic narratives, attracting a massive following. Kollywood, Tamil Cinema. Tamil cinema is celebrated for its compelling narratives and technical prowess. It has a rich history of producing critically acclaimed films and nurturing some of the finest actors in the industry. Mollywood, Malayalam Cinema. Renowned for its realistic storytelling and artistic approach, Malayalam Cinema provides a platform for experimental and indie films. Its focus on nuanced performances and thought-provoking themes sets it apart. Sandalwood, Kannada Cinema. Kannada Cinema is on a rapid growth trajectory, with a strong emphasis on content-driven films and regional stories that resonate deeply with local audiences. Bengali Cinema. Steeped in cultural heritage, Bengali cinema is known for its intellectual depth and artistic flair. It has a long-standing tradition of producing films that challenge societal norms and provoke thought. Benefits of working in regional cinema. Diverse roles, regional films often offer a broader spectrum of roles, allowing actors to explore varied and challenging characters that may not be as prevalent in mainstream Bollywood. Creative freedom, many regional industries are more open to experimental and indie films, providing actors and filmmakers with the liberty to innovate and showcase their range. Less competition, while still competitive, regional cinema may present fewer hurdles compared to Bollywood, with potentially fewer aspiring actors vying for the same opportunities. Success stories, actors who transitioned from regional to national fame. Prabhas, a stalwart of Telugu cinema, Prabhas catapulted to national fame with the Bahubali series, which became a monumental success across India. Rajinikanth, the superstar of Tamil cinema, Rajinikanth, enjoys a colossal fan base that extends beyond regional boundaries, making him a household name. Irfan Khan, though initially rooted in Hindi cinema, Irfan Khan's exceptional talent brought him international acclaim, bridging the gap between Indian and global cinema. Tips for breaking into regional cinema. Learn the language. Mastery of the regional language is crucial for delivering convincing performances and connecting with the audience. Understand the culture. Regional films often mirror local culture and traditions. A deep understanding of these nuances can significantly enhance your portrayal of characters. Network locally. Engage with the regional film community by attending film festivals, industry events, and workshops to establish valuable connections and gain insight into the industry. Resources and platforms to explore regional cinema. Film festivals. Regional film festivals such as the International Film Festival of Kerala, IFFK, and Chennai International Film Festival, CIFF, serve as excellent venues to discover and appreciate regional cinema. Online platforms. Streaming services like Hotstar, Netflix, and Amazon Prime Video offer a diverse array of regional films, making it easier for audiences to access and enjoy them. In conclusion, regional cinema in India provides a rich tapestry of opportunities beyond the Bollywood mainstream. For aspiring actors, directors, and producers, these industries offer a fertile ground for creativity, diversity, and growth. Embracing regional cinema can pave the way for innovative storytelling and a fulfilling career in the vast world of Indian filmmaking. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it. Hit that subscribe button and bell icon for more updates. Stay tuned for more great content. See you in the next video.